Good morning, my name is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I'm going to walk you through a 2022 230 Sunliner. We'll start off with this awesome dash. You'll see your 7-inch Simrad GPS depth finder built in, your easy accessible switches, JL audio, charging ports, table, forward, nice large front seating area, USB ports everywhere you look for charging. This boat has a gray teakwood flooring, dual helm chair layout with an SL lounger in the rear, 12-foot bimini top. The new Sunliners have very nice diamond stitching. As you move aft, you'll see the very large aft seating. This boat also is equipped with the new fender holders in the rear. This boat has a 150 Mercury outboard engine. Please give us a call at Lake Norman MarineMax, 704-215-3599. Again, this is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Lake Norman.